Sister to neither flaky parathas nor rustic bhakri, though born through a latna and raised on a tawa. That's how it begins. And somewhere in between, I will just tell you that once the dal is cooked, you have to strain it. And the liquid, the dal is separate and ground and stuffed into the Puran Poli, but the liquid is made into curry. And then the remaining dal, you recook it with sugar till it achieves a certain consistency. So I'm reading about that. School the curd, that is the liquid. School the curd with souring agents, various masalas, jaggery and salt. Then season with mustard seeds, hing and curry leaves. It will graduate to a delectable soup. The estranged, now dry dal can go back into the heavy-bottomed pressure cooker with a new mate, sugar. The lovemaking is violent. The hot viscous drops can hit the ceiling or your eye, splatter on the wall behind the gas stove. Sprinkle some haldi for auspiciousness. When they blend, test by standing in a wooden spatula or spoon into it. If it falls not, the deed is done. Gnash that mixture whilst warm. Mash it, bash it, grind it to a fine paste with whatever instrument of torture you own, old stone grinder or modern mixer. It is said that to reach heaven, first you must die. Swarga मिळायला आधी मरावं लागतं.